I'm Cassie Bloomfield. I'm the founder of Laindon School Uniform Bank. We're a community project run by volunteers. Our aim is to connect families with free pre-loved school uniform, fancy dress, shoes, coats, bags, all sorts. Since the project opened, we've managed to rehome 57,000 items to the local community and stop them from being thrown away, which is just amazing. I've been so grateful for the Love Essex Fund. We've had it for the last 3 years on the trot. This year the fund has helped us maintain our website and our domain name, and also help us evolve our project and try different things, help covering the costs, and again keeping it free for everyone to take. It's been amazing. I just feel very proud to be a part of a project. I've got the most amazing team, and on average we're helping around 50 families every time we're open. I can't ask for more. I'm just so proud, and I can't believe that we've achieved what we've achieved.